You used to feel sexual, but lately nothing. No desire. No interest. It can feel confusing, frustrating, and even embarrassing. But let me tell you, if you're over 50 and have lost your sex drive, you are not alone. In this video, we'll explain what might be going on and what you can do about it. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and I make videos to help men over 50 understand their bodies and their health without shame or confusion. Today's topic: low libido, what causes it and how you can take back control. Low libido means a lack of interest in sex, mentally and physically. It's not just about erections, it's about desire. You might feel small blue diamond, disconnected from your partner. Small blue diamond, no urge to initiate sex. Small blue diamond, mentally tired of it. Small blue diamond, or like the spark is just gone. And it's more common than you think, especially as we age. Let's get into the most common reasons your sex drive might be low. Low testosterone, low T. Natural decline after age 40. Causes tiredness, mood changes, and low libido. Stress and mental health. Anxiety, depression, and even performance pressure shut down desire. Medications. Blood pressure meds, antidepressants, and others can lower libido. Poor sleep. Less sleep equals lower testosterone plus higher stress hormones. Chronic health issues. Diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and low activity all affect hormones and blood flow. Relationship issues. Emotional disconnection can make desire fade. After 50, your body and hormones naturally change. You may be small orange diamond, producing 30 to 50% less testosterone. Small orange diamond, recovering slower from stress or illness. Small orange diamond, less stimulated by the same sexual routines. Add life stress, aging, health concerns, and the desire just isn't what it used to be. This doesn't make you broken. It just means your body is different now. Here's the good news: low libido is often fixable. Start here. White heavy checkmark, get your testosterone levels checked. White heavy checkmark, cut back on alcohol and processed foods. White heavy checkmark, exercise regularly. Boosts blood flow and hormones. White heavy checkmark, prioritize good sleep. White heavy checkmark, reduce stress with mindfulness, therapy, or hobbies. White heavy checkmark, talk openly with your partner. Emotional connection matters. White heavy checkmark, ask your doctor if your medications are affecting your drive. You don't have to accept this as your new normal. There are solutions. Losing your sex drive doesn't mean you've lost your masculinity. It means your body is asking for attention, and it deserves it. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe. And check out our next episode. Why do my testicles hurt? Real answers. No judgment. Right here every day.